You okay? Alright, and we're back. What? Oh, and I hit my foot.
Yeah.
But yeah, so
Quark's just there now.
Yeah. But don't worry. He's integral to the series. We'll see him again. Not in this game.
Yeah, you said series.
Yeah.
So we'll see him in the later games.
Yeah, but that's pretty much the last we see of him in this game.
I still feel sorry for him. I don't know why.
Why? He was willing to help destroy the universe because he wanted publicity.
Yeah, but now he's like just running a shop. He's making a good business.
He doesn't even get to work in a cube. He had to make his own like wood. Well, you know what? That's probably faster. No, it's not. Why was that the checkpoint?
All right. What are you doing?
Just walking in a circle. This game's a masterpiece. You can't tell me otherwise.
Oh no. So this is what happens when you do the drugs.
Yes, I am on the drugs.
I thought you died.
Never. Oh, I have.
What are you doing?
I had the PDA equipped.
Oh.
We'll never use that.
So why'd you have to buy it?
I just wanted to show you the scene.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, I'm gonna show you what the Morph Array does.
It's not Quark. It was Steve.
Steve McCork.
Steve. Whoa.
Hold on. And it turns them into chickens.
Why don't you use this?
Because it's bad.
It seems pretty great to me.
Look, here, I'll try using it on one of these guys. See how long... Oh, it didn't even finish doing it. Like, it takes a long time to turn things into a chicken that aren't, like, really easy to kill.
Oh.
So, like, rule of thumb is if you can suck it up with the... I'm just gonna die. Because I'm too dead. But, general...
You are at half health. You can live.
Yeah, this
Stop giving up!
It's a long part.
Stop it!
No. But,
You're gonna commit suicide. I already know it.
Commit your suicide.
Do it.
And then he was never heard from again. But, yeah, rule of thumb with that weapon is, if you can suck it up with the suck cannon, then you can use the Morph Array on it. Otherwise, just don't. I'm not kidding, he's dead, by the way. It's just solo show from now on. Oh, man, this is hard. Maybe I should get a wedgie board and, summon his soul from the great beyond. Are you really not gonna say anything? Oh, spirit of my deceased dumb co-host, come back to us and say your stupid line.
And I'm back!
Uh-huh.
That was scary.
It was scary. So that means he didn't go to heaven, you guys.
Oh boy.
Also, I'm about to die.
So hell is not what they say it is.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, it's just a bunch of people playing Monopoly.
Oh, that's worse.
Yeah. The endless game of Monopoly.
That's just life.
Well, what I'm talking about is like, they had this gigantic board.
Uh-huh.
And you know how, in a Monopoly board, normally each side has 10 spaces?
Uh-huh.
Each side had 100 spaces.
Okay.
And there was no go to jail. And there was no free parking. And when you pass go, you do not collect $200.
Okay, but what do you do?
You have to do things.
Things?
Horrible things. I don't think I want to explain because I don't think the kids at home can handle this.
Look, I'm pretty sure there's not going to be any kids watching this with your foul mouth.
What do you mean? I haven't said anything.
Not today.
Yesterday, maybe. Huh. But I really would like to thank you for bringing me back.
From the dead?
From the dead.
Oh yeah, it'll like cost your soul.
It only... Yeah. Is that a wedgie board?
Yeah.
Oh.
Glows in the dark.
Oh, you got the latest model, I see.
No.
No.
It's an original. Whoops.
This is Darla Graff.
What did I just do?
Oh, you viewed the cutscene.
I guess so. I'm just not feeling this combat and stuff right now. Y'all just let me get by. There we go, thanks.
You totally just did that.
It didn't stop me.
Is there ever an explosion that's just like an insta-kill?
No, there's no instant kills in this game.
Oh, they're in the series.
I mean, I guess falling.
It doesn't count.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Hello.
I just saw the green ball.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we don't have that gadget.
What?
Well, you know, remember how at the very beginning of the game, the skateboarder, and we found his
Yeah.
agent, and the agent was like, "Hey, if you bring me the prize, I'll give you something." But I said we don't need it.
Uh-huh. Was that what that was?
Yeah, he used those in those
Oh, okay.
spots. A little blue man comes out, and he is in a UFO, and he helps you fight.
Aw, that's adorable. Jeez. Are you struggling with
He
that
wouldn't
plank?
grab the edge.
Are you struggling with that plank?
A little bit, because usually on those parts, I'll just do like the high jump.
Yeah.
Like, they really meant
You still took damage from that.
No. That's fine.
Where is here? Whoa, they're following you.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's like Sonic Colors.
Look, this came out a long time before that, so...
Yeah, but Sonic Colors is fun. Have you ever played it?
No.
Ooh, I have it.
Do you?
I do.
Do I want to suffer through a Sonic game?
You know Sonic games can be good.
They can be.
There are good ones. Like, Colors.
Ooh.
Generations is pretty good. Mania is pretty good. You an idiot.
I couldn't jump and swing at the same time.
But you won't give the series.
My shop. What can I get you?
I'm looking for Drac.
Sure, yeah, I got lots of stuff on sale. After the bombing, no one is around to buy anything.
Are you okay?
Low prices? Oh, you bet. I can make you a deal on a busted turburator, a mangled carbonizer, or I got this info bot.
Guess
that
that
a
bombing
rig?
was pretty loud, huh?
Oh, you're one shrewd negotiator. I'll tell you what. I can let this infobot go for half price.
It's still
Well,
2000.
That's
I know.
about it for me.
Thanks.
Quit your complaining. I gave you a great deal. Sheesh.
Afraid
It is
to go out
rigged.
at night? Afraid to go out during the day? Just plain afraid? Then
Oh,
you
that's what the
need
thing in the UFO
this.
looks like.
The Ultra Mech Unlimited. This mech is the ultimate in personal defense system. Blorg Industries is now taking pre-orders. Get yours before it's too late.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh
Now
dear.
that's what I call serious firepower. Clank's gonna be jealous if he sees this.
Where did he put that? Where did he put that?
It condenses. Pocket dimension.
This isn't your D&D character.
What? Hammer space?
What?
Yeah, that happened.
What was that about?
Oh, I can push that button. And,
Yay?
and then those come up. And, I know for a fact, all that's that way is a gold bolt. So, we're not going that way.
Okay. So, is that it for the planet?
Yeah. Yeah, we did everything.
Oh, well, how about that?
Yay, now I don't ever have to come back to this place. But, you know how I keep telling you how there's only one really good spot in this game to grind?
Quartu, is this it?
It's on this planet.
Quartu?
Yes.
Is this Captain Quark's home planet?
No. Oh, I don't know what his home planet is, actually.
He doesn't have one. He was adopted into the universe.
Oh, cutscene.
Well, I guess Quark didn't eliminate them.
How observant of you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, if you were only so diligent in doing your own job.
Yes, sir.
Since our new planet is nearly finished, we need a plan to remove the world that is occupying our selected orbit. This time, it must be absolutely foolproof. Time is wasting.
I can't hear his voice without thinking of Gantu now.
I mean, Gantu's voice is a bit deeper though. I get it's still the same voice actor,
pretty much the same.
but it's a little different. Okay.
Do you think that's that guy's real voice? Like, that's what he actually sounds like?
Boy, I would hope it isn't, because that's just so gruff on your throat the whole time.
Now that you have the hydro pack, you can activate its turbojets by holding down the R1 button.
Yeah, that's a really deep voice to have, though.
Yeah. Also, remember we got this on the snow planet, and are just now using it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think that's where you'd want to use that.
That's fine.
Go, go!
It's okay. This is the reason we bought it, because we couldn't do this part without it. Dang it.
Yeah, can't do it with it either.
Shut up.
Okay. Up.
Why did it
Up.
suddenly turn around?
Oh,
Don't get-
come on! You're great at this game.
Shut up. Haven't died yet
Yet.
at this part.
I got the keywords, don't worry. Okay.
Ow.
You went straight for the center, too. This one's on you.
Look, it's not as easy to control as you might think.
Isn't it just like... I feel like it's airplane controls.
No. It's worse.
Whoa!
Yeah, I don't know why they decided to make it where as soon as you touch the thing, or like get out of it, it goes back shocky. But it does.
Yeah, because I clearly saw 6 seconds left. Bolt grabber.
Yeah, now they magnetize you a lot better.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
We established that they only come in like 1s and 5s, didn't we?
I think so. Because I thought there were like darker ones that were worth more, but I think we proved that they don't.
Well, I guess we're never gonna find out because I don't think we're ever gonna find a single bolt.
Now it won't matter because they'll just suck to me now.
Exactly.
Fuzzball.
What'd you just buy? What is that?
The boxing glove, you idiot!
Is it really?
Yes!
Ah! Use it.
And that's what it's for. And that's all it does.
Use it for the rest of the game.
No.
No, you have to.
I will use it for this planet.
Okay.
And only the first time we're here.
Punch him. Oh, it's so great! Oh, I love it!
Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect the hologuise on this planet.
This is the happiest moment of my life.
Why? Because I have the boxing
Because you
glove?
have the boxing glove.
Well, I'm glad I made you happy.
Oh, I'm very happy. Boxing glove is the best weapon.
Boxing glove, best weapon.
Look at him, he's dead now. He is dead now. It's a one-hit kill.
On those,
Yeah, on everything.
not on everything.
There's no way. You're lying to me. You're not using the boxing glove.
Because I don't have it on my Hot Wheel. Beat that.
Wait, I thought it was, I thought the same was Hot Wheels or nothing.
It's Nerf or nothing. It's Hot Wheels beat that. Did I just blow your mind?
I think I'm an idiot.
Well, I already knew that. You
Hold on a
stupid
minute.
toilet.
Hold on a minute. Nerf or nothing. Then what's Burger King's thing?
You can have it your way.
Oh.
Did somehow
Wait, so what's Subway's thing?
eat fresh?
I thought it was Subway Have It Your Way.
No, it's Eat Fresh.
Why would they know? Okay.
That's what Subway Eat Fresh.
I
you
thought
know?
it was Subway Have It Your Way because it rhymed.
No. And you can't rhyme way with way. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, that's all the time we have for this episode. Somebody is going to have to think hard about their slogans. We're going to have a small talk about this. But anyway, we'll catch you in the next part.
I'm gonna need a minute.